Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what Exness needs: your registered email or phone, account ID, and the exact amount of a recent deposit so verification matches. Once done, prepare a clear photo of your government ID and a recent utility or bank statement dated within 3 months. Then you open the Exness app or website and tap Forgot Password or Account Recovery to initiate the official flow. This triggers verification prompts and email or SMS codes that you'll use in the next steps. You now verify identity. Enter the code sent to your phone or email and confirm control of that contact method. This proves ownership. Next, upload your ID and proof of address following Exness file type and size rules. Make sure edges are visible and text readable. Then complete any security questionnaire. You may be asked for last trade date, recent transaction amounts, or account labels. These details link your proof to the account and speed up manual review if automated checks fail. You finish by setting a new password or resetting 2FA when prompted. Choose a strong, unique passphrase and store it in a secure manager. If the system denies access, immediately request a manual review and attach screenshots plus a concise timeline of events to support your case. Make contact via live chat or an official support ticket and note the ticket ID for follow-up. This ensures accountability and speeds resolution. Troubleshooting tip: if documents are rejected, rescan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.